Today, I'm tackling a hot topic that's been blowing up my DMs, fat bikes. You've probably seen me rant about these chunky, tired beasts before, but after riding one for a year and nearly crashing into a snowbank last winter, I've got some strong opinions. Let me tell you why I wish I'd thought twice before buying mine, and why you should too. The fat bike hype train. Last year, I caved to the hype. I bought a fat bike. You know the ones, those Instagram-ready monsters with tires wider than my ego. At first, it felt amazing. I cruised through snowdrifts like a Yeti on caffeine. But then reality hit. Let me break down why I ended up selling mine, and why you might want to skip it altogether. Look, I'll admit, fat bikes aren't all bad. That insane traction, it saved me during a blizzard last January. And if you're the type who bike packs across tundras or beaches, maybe it's worth it. But here's the thing. Unless you're Bear Grylls, these bikes come with some serious baggage. Let me break it down. First, riding a fat bike feels like pedaling a refrigerator. Those 30 to 40% heavier frames and rolling resistance tires turn my pavement commute into a marathon, leaving me drenched and humiliated by retirees on beach cruisers. Then there's the cost. I blew $2,000 up front, only to get laughed at by mechanics for asking about budget tires, and later sold it for half price after it collected dust. Worst of all, I nearly became a statistic when I wiped out on black ice. Yes, fat tires can fail, only to learn accidents are skyrocketing. Like the 115 riders hospitalized in the Netherlands in 3 months, many on illegal 45+ kilometers per hour modified bikes. And practicality? Forget it. Parking one is like cramming a Hummer into a smart car spot. Commuting feels like swimming upstream. And hills? Let's just say I'd rather walk. Let me take you back to my epic fat bike adventure. I dragged mine to a sandy lakeshore, dreaming of Insta-worthy shots. 10 minutes in, my legs were burning, my phone died, and I ended up pushing the bike through dunes like a punished sled dog. Meanwhile, my buddy on a gravel bike was sipping beer by the water. Lesson learned. Fat bikes thrive in extremes, but most of us aren't extreme. If I could redo it, here's what I'd do. For snow addicts, skip the fat bike and grab a winter-ready mountain bike with studded tires. It's lighter, cheaper, and actually handles ice. Beach lovers? Rent a sand-specific bike for those rare shore days, instead of buying a clunky fat bike you'll use twice a year. Daily commuters, save your sanity and quads with a lightweight hybrid or e-bike that won't leave you stranded at coffee shops looking like a swamp monster. Bottom line, unless you're training for the Iditarod or starring in a desert survival show, there's a smarter, cheaper, and faster way to ride. So save your cash and keep your dignity intact. My fat bike confession. Fat bikes aren't evil. They're just overkill for 95% of riders. Unless you're chasing blizzards or sandstorms, there's better options. And hey, if you're still tempted, rent one first. My ego still hasn't recovered from that coffee shop incident. Have you ridden a fat bike? Did you love it or loathe it? Let me know in the comments. I need solidarity. If this rant saved you from a bad decision, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay safe, and remember, just because you can ride it doesn't mean you should. Catch you on the next one.